Hey everyone, Eric here. Thank you so much for considering this course that will help you develop the financial modeling skills and learn the strategies that you need to run finance for startups. So, why did I create this course? When I got out of university, I was really interested in the whole startup, tech, venture capital ecosystem, but I just couldn't understand how these money losing businesses were worth so much, why the VCs were pumping so much capital into them. How were they monetizing themselves, and ultimately, what metrics were they using to scale off of? I was frustrated that this knowledge was so hard to learn. So, in order to learn this stuff, I went and I've worked in the startup ecosystem now for almost 10 years. Now, I advise startups in their finance and growth strategies, and so far, two of the startups that I've worked with have been acquired for a combined $600 million. This is the course that I wish I had taken 10 years ago, and I created it so that other people in my position would have a faster way to learn these skills. What will you get out of this course? You will learn the high-level strategy and technical skills to run finance for startups. These are all the things I've learned and continue to learn over the course of my career. These essential skills include things like financial modeling for e-commerce, SaaS, and marketplace businesses, how to measure the key drivers of growth and profitability, what are the monetization strategies and growth tactics of technology businesses, how to measure performance of your digital marketing, how to fundraise and what to expect by round, and startup exits. What are all of the different options and advantages and disadvantages of each one? This course is packed with case studies, support from me, a private community, and more. If you complete this program, you will have the skills you need to break into the startup ecosystem, I guarantee it. Who is this course built for? It's built for you if you're a founder trying to scale your business, fundraise, and build financial models. You're a finance professional who wants to break into the startup world. You're a student who wants to dive into the lucrative and rapidly growing tech ecosystem. You're a VC or private equity investor who wants to better understand the financial dynamics of startups. You're anyone who wants to develop a technical finance background. Maybe you don't have a lot of experience. That's okay, because I included a bonus module in the beginning of the course where we cover Finance and Accounting 101 to get you up to speed. Maybe you do have a lot of experience. Well, because I've worked with so many different types of startups, CFOs actually hire me to help them build financial models and make decisions. So I'm going to be teaching you this entire skill set in the course. No matter where you are with your finance background, I guarantee there are going to be a lot of new things that you've never seen before in this course. So what's the structure of the course? Here's exactly what's included in the course if you buy today. Lectures, 45 lectures totaling over 20 hours of content. A private community. We have a private community that I host on my platform where you can introduce yourself, ask questions about the course, and have finance discussions with other students. Coaching. We're going to be doing live stream Q&A where I can answer any other questions that you might have. Excel training. I'm going to be giving you 2 of my Excel training courses completely for free as a bonus so you can keep building your skills. Venture quality financial models. You're going to be receiving 6 fully built financial models which we'll cover throughout the course, as well as all of the curriculum in Excel. I'll also be adding curriculum to the course over time. But if you buy today, you'll receive lifetime access to all the materials at today's price. And I'm also going to be including a payment plan to make the course more accessible to people. So what are you waiting for? If you're trying to learn about finance for startups, I guarantee you won't find a program like this anywhere else. So let's jump into the course right now and get started. I look forward to seeing you inside.